Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this festive season, we will be doing another round of December delights. This time, however, we will be taking a look at a few savory recipes along with some more sweet treats that will hopefully help you celebrate the holidays. For this episode, we will be making some mulled wine. For this recipe, you will need 1 bottle of dry red wine. I like pinot noir, but cabernet or merlot also work. You will also need a 1/4 cup of brandy or orange liqueur, 1 orange, 6 to 8 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 to 4 star anise, a 1/4 cup of honey, maple syrup, or other sweetener, and some more oranges, cinnamon sticks, or star anise for garnish. These ingredients are enough for about 4 to 6 servings, so adjust as needed. First, we'll prepare the ingredients, so for your oranges, slice them up into rounds. Then, when you're ready, in a saucepan or pot, add in your wine, orange slices, cloves, cinnamon, star anise, brandy, and honey, and bring this to a simmer, but make sure not to let it boil. Then reduce the heat to medium-low and cook this, stirring occasionally until fragrant, about 10 to 15 minutes, or longer if you wish to impart more of the spice flavor. Then give this a taste and add in some more honey or sweetener if needed, but when you're ready to serve the wine, divide it among some heat-safe cups or mugs, garnish with some more orange slices, cinnamon sticks, or star anise, and with that, your mulled wine is ready to drink. For this last recipe of 2025, I wanted to make something that you can enjoy during this last week in between Christmas and New Year's, with friends and family to help keep you warm and merry. So I thought that mulled wine would be the perfect thing to make. When choosing the wine you want to use for this, I recommend using a wine that you enjoy, since that will be the main flavor component. But the spices do add a nice natural warmth, and of course impart their flavors the longer you let the wine simmer. The oranges will also impart their flavor as well, but if you want to mull your wine for a long time, I recommend peeling the skin off first before adding them, since it can make the drink a bit bitter. If you wish to make this non-alcoholic, you can substitute the wine with fruit juices, such as grape juice, cranberry juice, pomegranate juice, and or orange juice, and just leave out the brandy, of course. Then just follow the recipe as normal. But regardless of if you enjoyed this with or without alcohol, this warm, spiced drink will be a great way to reminisce on this past year, or to help you bring in the new year. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. But make sure not to let it boil. Oops.